Guys, I have something incredible for you today. It's called CryptoUnity. I promise you, this project will blow you away like it's blown me away. It could be the greatest project I reviewed. So guys, before we get in, disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor, this is education purposes only.
Let's get straight into this. So guys, over on CryptoUnity.org, you can see the countdown for the whitelist pre-sale that opens in 9 days, 12 hours, 41 minutes, and 18 seconds. All you gotta do is click this apply for whitelist. We're gonna get straight into this project, but I wanted to get this straight to you because I don't want you to miss out. By the time you're watching this video, hopefully that doesn't say 0 and you got locked in on the pre-sale. It's gonna be open on February the 18th, 2023, 1 p.m. That's UTC +1, and it's gonna take place on the website. Guys, let's get involved right now. It's only gonna be 0.0065 of a euro. If you wait too long, you're gonna have to pay extra. So guys, get there, register for the pre-sale. Now let me tell you exactly what this project's about. So guys, what exactly is CryptoUnity, okay? This is where we've created with beginners for beginners, an all-in-one platform designed to be the new user's first choice. First crypto exchange that offers education for an easy start to a cold wallet to keep your funds secure. Guys, I'm gonna keep going back to that pre-sale that is going on right now, okay? It's insane. You have to get involved. Now, guys, if you go onto their website, you'll see not only is the pre-sale coming up, we got the airdrop entry. All right, get involved. All you've got to do is come to the bottom here and you get 10 entries for all of these. Entering your wallet address, following crypto on Twitter, retweeting, joining their Telegram, visiting the website, Instagram, and much more. Guys, there's a prize pool of 460,525 CUT, equivalent to 3,500 BUSD. All right, the duration is from January the 21st to Feb the 10th. The winner announcement will be on Feb the 11th and the date will be continued. But guys, look at this. It's free crypto. You've got to get involved in this now. So guys, let's have a quick look at the video on their website and explain exactly what this is.
Did you know that currently only 2% of the world's population is using crypto? Imagine how many more would consider investing. But the current ways of trading are too complicated for them. So we found a solution. We present you CryptoUnity. Based on CUT, our cryptocurrency, we created a crypto exchange, NFT platform, and a cold wallet, then gathered it all in one place. Our mobile app, it has everything you need for your crypto story to begin.
Guys, you can get this on
we
Android,
enable you to have a
iOS,
carefree crypto journey with a cold wallet secured by a unique 3-factor authentication system, workshops, and a department with valuable investing insights on new crypto projects. Want a more authentic experience? With our traveling exchange offices and always available customer support, we've got you covered. So don't miss out and get your cut on CryptoUnity.org.
So guys, we don't need to make this complicated. Start real simple. It's a mobile application, contains key features to really ensure an effortless first interaction. They own their own crypto exchange, so buying and selling crypto is as easy as it gets, okay? An educational section for all crypto topics, so no unnecessary mistakes are made. You get a customizable portfolio with an option for automated trading, so you can actually sleep peacefully at night. 24/7 help and support, so don't waste time on Googling answers again. Staying completely secure. First form of staying safe in the crypto sphere is education. That is why they offer users the chance to obtain it. So to assure maximum safety of the user's asset on the platform, we designed a cold wallet that will be protected by a 3-factor authentication. Fingerprint, one-time password, and NFC CryptoUnity card. Super interesting, guys. Again, like you saw in the video, they've got the NFT marketplace, CryptoUnity Research, the traveling exchange. This is going to blow the world away, okay? Their partners, you can see some of the biggest names in the space, Infobit, Lenovo, Crypto Duo, and more, okay? They're open to new partnerships, so if you're watching this and you are a partner, please get involved at business at CryptoUnity.org. You want to join the social media channels. I'm going to show you their Twitter in just a second, guys, but I want to talk about their team right now. So their team, okay, is incredible. Their vision is to create one of the leading beginner-focused crypto platforms, and they intend to take the account of the opinions of users and use them to become the first choice for beginners. Now, the team, they have, and please forgive me if I don't pronounce the names correctly. Sandy Spenko is the CEO. Anja Sinkovic is the CEO as well. Okay, we have Dava Majk, who's the CTO, Anna, who's the social media manager, Tina. Guys, I'm not going to keep reading their names out, but just click on the LinkedIn, okay? We've got the business manager, crypto analysis, blockchain developer, content creator, graphic designer. Click the LinkedIn and just simply go to their profile and research them. Guys, it's really that easy, and you'll start to learn that all of these guys know exactly what they're doing in this space. They are set for greatness here. Okay, it's incredible. They've got the advisors as well across here. They've got Mina there in the legal department. Guys, have a look and get involved. Let me talk to you about the white paper before I go back to the pre-sale, which I just cannot get enough of right now. So the white paper is a 41-page document. Okay, it looks like this. All you got to do is scroll through. Again, the links are down below and they're on the website, guys. You've got everything you need to know about the tokenomics, the white paper, the content, everything in here, the fundraising, the fund, the team. Guys, just go through it real simple, okay? I don't want to sit here and read this out for you. It would take hours because I want you to dive in and do your own research. Never get involved in any project, no matter even if I tell you to, if you haven't done your own research. So guys, go on their white paper. The link will be down below. Okay, it's the V4 section. It's incredible. So touch it back on the pre-sale, guy. I'm so excited. All right, there's 2,000 spots available. Fundraising goal is 2.5 million euros. Total tokens of 1 billion. Available tokens for the sale, 38%. Guys, you cannot miss out. Now, important details. Before purchasing the tokens, it's necessary to fill out the KYC, which is know your client from in accordance with the prevention of money laundering and terrorist financing. During the pre-sale, you'll actually be able to purchase it with cryptocurrency, ETH, BNB, and BUSD, a pro forma invoice, or PayPal. Okay, you can actually receive your tokens to your wallet listed on the Pancake Swap. Guys, please get involved in this. It's incredible. There you go, guys. I told you it's going to be incredible. Now, please remember, the pre-sale is the most important bit. All right, they've already had 3 successfully finished pre-sales. Cut World pre-sale is the last one. The price is going to increase through the time, is like I showed you, okay? First day of the pre-sale is reserved solely for the whitelist, so please register. There's only 2,000 spots like I spoke about. If you want to buy, apply for whitelist, and fingers crossed, you will get picked. Okay, if you don't make the whitelist, just wait for the next stage, but unfortunately, you have to pay more. Guys, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.